Does anyone else love essential oil aromatherapy diffusers? Wouldn't it be cool to be able to use one while you drive? Well, I found out you can. Hey everyone, this is Kent, and today I am reviewing an essential oil diffuser I just recently purchased, but not just any diffuser. This one is made for your car. I love essential oils for their many health and aromatherapy benefits. Some of my favorite essential oils are mint, lavender, and tea tree. Check out the description below and the above link to Dr. Axe's page on the many benefits of essential oils. Also below are some links to where you can purchase some of my favorite essential oils. You may be able to win one of these, so stick around to the end of the video for the giveaway details. Okay, let's open this up, check it out, and then we'll do a quick demo. Okay, so I chose to purchase the green color. It comes in many different colors. Okay, so we open this up and here it is, and it's nice plastic, sturdy, pivots. So I would assume we have some instructions here. Of course, I love reading instructions, so we'll put those aside. I guess we would turn this and open the little bottle there. That's where you would put the water. So I highly recommend using distilled pure water. For that, you can buy a big jug at Walmart or any grocery store. Also, we have, there's a little sponge in this little area here. I don't know if it twists off or pulls off. There we go. And there's one sponge here. I guess that helps it convert it to steam. I'm not exactly sure of the technical details on that, but you have the one sponge there, and it also comes with a spare sponge, so just in case the other one wears down. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to fill this up, add a few drops of essential oil, and then take it out in my car, test it out, and see what happens. All right. Okay, I filled the diffuser with distilled water and added about 3 to 4 drops of an essential oil blend called Peaceful Sleep, which is a blend of orange, tangerine, lavender, chamomile, ylang ylang, grapeseed, and sandalwood oils. It smells amazing. Check out the links in the description where you can purchase it. As you can see, when I plug the diffuser into my lighter jack, it begins to mist. You can adjust the strength of the scent by how many drops of essential oils you add to the distilled water. I don't recommend too strong of a scent. It's best to have just a hint if you're going to have it on for long periods of time. Note, after continuously running for 2 hours, this diffuser will shut off automatically. If you press the button once, the light will turn blue and go into a humidification mode, which is a continuous misting. If you press the button a second time, the light will then turn purple and go into an aroma diffusion mode, which means puffs of mist will come out every 3 to 5 seconds. If you press the button a third time, the light will turn red and the diffuser will turn off. The one complaint I have about this diffuser is the button and lights. There isn't much up and down action on the button, so sometimes I'm not sure if I've pressed it successfully. And the lights are very, very hard to see in the daytime. But other than that, this diffuser works really great. As you can see, everything works great as to be expected with this product. Overall, I really like this product, so you guessed it, I'm gonna give one away. One lucky person will win a discount code that can be used to purchase this product on papow.com. This code will also be enough to cover the shipping, so it will cost you absolutely nothing, zero money. So the first 25 people that post a comment below and subscribe will be put into the draw. Let me know in the comments what you think of this car essential oil diffuser. Also, I would love to know some of your favorite essential oils. If you like this video, please give it a like, and there will be more giveaways in future videos, so please subscribe and click the bell to get notified when I post new videos. Thank you very much for watching.